Good morning, crafters. It is Julia Fair and Fair's Craftler, and I realize it's been a while since I've been able to do a video. We've had a lot going on here at the lair, and there still is a lot going on, but I had a little bit of time, so I wanted to share an alternative video with you today, and also make sure that you all know that next month, the Paper Pumpkin Kit that's going to be coming out from Stampin' Up! Is going to be a really awesome treat bag for Halloween. They do this, I think they've done this every year, and it's really good. So if you have anybody that you want to be giving little Halloween treats to, I can't wait to see this. And if the box is any indication of what it's going to look like, it's going to be pretty awesome. We need to order by September 10th, so that's just in a couple days. I'll be doing hopefully an alternative video for you guys once I get my kit, so I can show you what's happening with that. If you did order an August kit, this is what the kit looks like. It comes with 6 little bags and a whole bunch of things to make all these really awesome tags that go on it, including ribbon and then trim. And so there's all sorts of really cool things that go with it. But I'm not going to put them on the bags today. I'm, of course, going to make something different because that's what an alternative video is for. So I just wanted to show you this, and also to let you all know that they have an extension kit for this that is cards. It's $10, and you get 2 different styles of cards, and one of them looks like watercolor, and it's amazing. They're both absolutely gorgeous. And so if you wanted to be able to do more with this kit, you can purchase a kit. I don't know if they have any leftovers. You're always welcome to check the website for that. If you are a subscriber, you can purchase past kits at a discount, which is awesome. And then you can also get the extension kit. And I think the extension kit is just available as well on the website, so you should be able to find that. And I do have my current host code up here for any of you who are interested in making a purchase today. I, of course, would love to help you with anything that you need. I am going to show you what one of these tags looks like. Look, so the back side is just white, but the front side of this, it has this beautiful rainbow color. I love that. So I'm working on going to figure this one out in a while. I'm not sure about that one yet. So hopefully I'll share a picture for you guys if I get that far. So for now, I have a Mary Merlot card base. And what's nice is these kits, they should tell you what colors they coordinate. Yeah, here. It says on the back. Blackberry Bliss, Calypso Coral, Crumb Cake, Crushed Curry, Mary Merlot, Mint Macaron, Old Olive, Pretty Peacock, and Soft Suede. So that's pretty awesome. We have all those lovely colors. Of course, it comes with an ink spot. I showed you some of the trim. It's got this really awesome, I want to say it's Mango Melody ribbon. But it looks super bright right now, but it's a lot lighter when it's just one piece by itself. So it's a lot thinner. But I want to say it's Mango Melody, but I'm not entirely certain what it is. So I think we'll find out. It's really pretty. And then you get, of course, all of these pieces that come along with it, including, look at that. Look at this, how pretty this is. Look how pretty that is. So, yeah, I'm not using it today. And all these pieces, this is so pretty. So many pretty things. Okay, so, and then, of course, tags. You just get all these pieces that punch out. Lots and lots of great pieces to use. So, I'm very excited about that. And then, of course, the treat bags. And then you get a bunch of sequins, and you get glue dots, and dimensionals as well, a sheet of dimensionals. So this kit is jam-packed with awesomeness. Of course, I'm going to be using my large Mary Merlot so that I can save that ink spot for a rainy day or for travel. Here's the stamp set that comes along with it. So we're going to start with the stamp set, and I have a design slightly ready to go. So I'm going to put this on my block. I'm going to start with some tone-on-tone stamping. And I'm going to go straight on here. If you want to make sure that your stamping is going to look absolutely pristine, I suggest that you stamp off first. I am not so concerned about that right now because this is going to be a background. So I think that's it. I think I'm going to leave it just like that. That's all I really need to do for that. And we're going to put my ink off to the side. And I have one of these small tags. Let's see what... Yeah, grateful for family like you. That looks like it's going to fit pretty well. I could have gone for a smaller block, but I didn't exactly know. I'm going to rub over my stamp here, and now I will stamp off because I do want it to be more... I should get this back on camera. I'm going to stamp off to make sure that it's stamping nicely for that. Sorry if my head gets in the frame. Hold it for just a couple seconds. Get good contact. And flick it off. There we go. That looks pretty good. Alright, I think I'm done with my ink for the moment. So I'm going to close that up. Alright, and we're going to put this towards the bottom here. And I'm just going to actually put this on right now, because I have some other things that I'm going to do as far as layering goes. Alright, so we kind of have this L shape going on, and what I have is a whole bunch of these little leaf pieces. Alright, so I had done some cool things with these, kind of layering them up. So I had come up with some cool ways how to do that. I'm just going to put a little bit of adhesive on one of these to tack it down. There's going to be other things layered on top of this, so I don't need to necessarily make sure that everything is super pristine and, or, you know, really, really super adhered down. What I do want to make sure of, though, is that the top ones are adhered well enough. Okay. Put some adhesive on the back of this. There we go. And then I was going to do the same again. Go add a little bit more on this one. There we go. Alright, and then put a fair amount of adhesive on the back of this guy. Alright, I'm trying to get the same kind of a pattern, the same place. And put this one slightly off to the side a little bit more so that it's not covering. I may just have to lift this up and scoot it out a little bit. This one's going to be a slightly different pattern. So I don't know if you all have seen, but the holiday catalog is live, and there are some really, really, really cute things that are in that holiday catalog that I cannot wait to get my hands on. So, don't know about you, but hopefully I'll be doing a video for all of you to show you the cool things that I'm getting and doing an unboxing video for you guys. So I'm going to just take some of my glue dots so I don't have to use the little ones that come in the pack. Adhesive is always a great way to extend what you have available. This ribbon is Pretty Peacock. Let me see what it's called. It is Scalloped Linen Ribbon in Pretty Peacock. So it's one of the in-color ribbons, and I absolutely love it. It is so pretty. And I've used it before on a few other projects, but I don't know if I've used it for you guys yet on camera. Maybe I have. I can't keep track. I can't remember. Okay, so we're just going to put that over the stems like that, and if I need another piece to kind of tack it in place, I'm going to do that so that things aren't popping up all over the place. Kind of holding everything in the right spot. Alright, so that is our card design for today. I am going to do a little bit more with it though. I have all of these really cool adhesive back sequins. So we're going to add a few of those to add a little extra touch, because these are really pretty. Maybe one over here. I don't know if I needed to do that one. Let's pull that one off and put that there. Actually, put that one right down there. Just about. There we go. That is our design then for today. Adding a little embellishment. It would have looked lovely without it, but it looks even more lovely with a little extra. So, yeah, so if you have not gotten one of these kits yet, I highly suggest it, especially knowing that we have a holiday season coming up. The kits for the holidays are awesome. They usually, so next month, September, is going to be the Halloween kit, and it's a treat bag kit. Then usually October's kit is something in preparation for Thanksgiving. So they will have something that is either Thanksgiving related, or it can also be, it'll be in preparation possibly for Christmas, or could be extended. The last 2 years they've actually done 2 coordinating kits, and I don't remember if it was October, November, or if it was November, December. It might have been, I think it was October, November in preparation for Christmas, but it could be used for Thanksgiving or Christmas, which is awesome, or the holiday season, I should say that. These already have some Thanksgiving on them, so they're kind of anticipating that. Grateful for family like you, thankful for friends like you, and happy Thanksgiving. And then one that says enjoy. So I'm kind of thinking that this was the Thanksgiving kit, which means that there's probably more holiday crafting that's coming up for the holiday season. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to drop me a line or leave me a message. I do check my messages on my videos that are live. After the fact, I can't quite check them while I'm doing it, but I'm very happy to help you with any needs that you have that may arise. And until next time, happy crafting. Bye!